Hi guys, how are you doing today? Welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell, I'm feeling a little bit sick lately, so sorry if I sound a little stuffy during this video. But anyways, so today I thought that I would make myself feel a little bit better by doing a facial. But before I do that, so last video I dyed my extensions for you guys, and so I want to follow up with that and show you guys. I did curl them so the blonde is blending a little bit better. I can tell that they're really good extensions because not many hairs like come off when I brush my hair. I don't know if you guys have worn extensions, but my last pair, they would just break off the ends, and these ones have not been doing that so far. So I'm super happy with these, and I'm going to start my facial routine. I do have a wax pot right here, so I wax my own eyebrows. I'm gonna do that really quickly, and then I'm going to actually take a small razor, and I just got this from Walgreens, and I'm going to exfoliate the dead skin and the peach fuzz off of my face so that I can let my face products soak in better. So that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, so I'm gonna start by fanning my eyebrows up when I wax my eyebrows. I love waxing my eyebrows, it feels so good. So I want to go a little bit more upwards with my eyebrows, I think. So I'm just going to go along the bottom line. So yeah, I got back from Christmas. Well, I was about to head back from my Christmas break where I went to Kansas. Have you guys ever had a long layover at an airport? Because I found out the day that I was flying, like the day before I was flying back, that I had a 17-hour layover in the Denver airport. So that is how my weekend went. It was really fun stuff. And when I was at the airport, I was all by myself too. Like Reggie, my boyfriend, got a different flight back home, so I was stuck there just by myself, chilling. Waxing my eyebrows is so satisfying. I love it. I got this wax pot. Actually, my friend that I went to cosmetology school with, we both lived together at the time, and she got it, and we both used it all the time, but I would use it more than her. And so she was just like, you can have this. So shout out Katie Gales. Alright, so I'm gonna finish doing this on my bottom, and then I'm gonna go just upwards on my top, and I'll show you guys when I'm done waxing my face. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my little razor and I'm gonna go all over my face. I'm just gonna hold my skin down a little bit and just go down everywhere over my whole entire face. And I like it because it gets rid of all the dead skin and any like peach fuzz, and it helps your makeup set in better. And after I do this, I'm gonna clean my face, and it'll help all of my like, face products go in better. So that's why I do this. And then just all over my nose and forehead, I do everything. So and then after that, I'm gonna do a pore strip for my nose because I haven't done that in forever, so I'm gonna see how that turns out. Okay, so I just cleaned my face with Kate Somerville Detox Daily Cleanser. And now I'm gonna take a nose strip, which I haven't used in like forever, so I'm curious to see what comes out of this. Okay, so it says to wet your nose first, and then you put the strip on with dry fingers. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick. Okay, so this is what it looks like on, and I'm thinking I should have taken off my nose ring first, but Lord be with us. And so I was at Walgreens getting some medicine, and I saw this mask. It's just made with like honey, and it's supposed to cleanse and purify and replenish your skin. So I'm gonna put this on, and it's a peel off mask. I'm just gonna put it in the places where my nose strip is not. This smells like honey. This feels really good though. Alright, and it says to wait like 15 minutes for this. So I'm gonna let this dry for 15 minutes and we'll see how it peels off. Okay, so my face is like a little bit red in the places that I waxed my face, but my face mask is still drying. I'm sitting in front of a fan. I'm gonna peel off this nose strip and see if anything cool happens. Ow. Okay, my nose doesn't hurt really bad from that. Got a lot off actually. I used the Biore Blue Agave Deep Cleansing Pore Strips. So I mean, this is fine. I feel like it could have done a little bit more, but I mean, overall it did something good, so. Ew. Alright, now I'm just waiting for the face mask to dry, so. So now my mask is dry, so I'm gonna start peeling that off. It feels like, I mean, my skin feels pretty good. I need to get it off more, but after I get it off, I'm gonna put this hot towel on my face. And you guys, this is gonna feel so good. I got a towel and I got it damp, and then I heated it up for like 15 seconds in the microwave. And now I'm gonna put it on my face. Oh my god, you guys need to do this. This feels so good. Oh, especially being sick, I 100% recommend. I know I look crazy, but so nice. Oh my god. All right, so, and another reason why I do that is it opens up my pores so that it can take in whatever I'm about to put on my skin. And right now I'm going to do a toner and then put a serum on and moisturize. I've got my cotton balls, and I just picked this up from Walgreens today. It's called Thayer's facial toner, and it's got rose petal in it. What I mostly go for is anything that's alcohol free because I don't want it to dry out my skin. Okay, so now I'm going to take, I got like these samples from Sephora and I haven't used them yet. This is Josie Maran Argan Daily Moisturizer, and it's got SPF 47, which is good, but it's like dark outside already. And any products that I put on my face, I put on my neck too. And whenever I put my products on, I like to go upwards because gravity works downwards, and that's what helps prevent aging. I'm also going to use a lip scrub by Eco Lips, and I'm gonna put that on my lips, and then I like to put on Carmex because I like Carmex. Okay, so now I'm done with everything. My skin is feeling actually really good. The redness, I think, from the wax already went away, so I'm super happy about that. I'm not sure what worked in whatever I just used, but I know I used a few new products, so having sensitive skin, I'm so happy. But anyways, I know this was more of a sit-down video this week. I'm just not feeling as good as I would like to, but next week's video is gonna be super fun. I'm so excited for it, so make sure you guys hit that notification bell and subscribe if you aren't already, and I will see you guys next week. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.